Hello, I'm Doms from Davao City, Philippines, and I'm excited to share with you why I would be a valuable addition to your organization. With 5 years of experience as a virtual assistant and a social media manager, I have a proven track record of success in growing Instagram accounts, creating engaging content, and generating leads. For example, in my previous role at Gripzilla, I was able to increase the company's Instagram followers by 200% in just 6 months. I also created and implemented a social media marketing strategy that resulted in 15% increase in website traffic. In addition to my experience with LinkedIn and Instagram, I'm also skilled in graphic design, copywriting, and video editing. This allows me to create high quality content that is high visually appealing and informative. I'm also able to write and edit engaging captions to drive engagement and clicks.